Hi, I am Jessy and this is my program for calculating the areas and perimeters of different shapes. So for this to be achieved, I have used the concept of function overloading. This is nothing but we have same function name and same return type, but the arguments passed may vary in their numbers or in data types. So let's see how this program. Inside the main, I have given 5 menus and I ask the user to enter their choice. So this choice is read by this variable OP, and here I use the switch case. So when the user presses 1, it goes to case 1, and if the user presses 2, it goes to case 2. Like that it works. So here in case 1, like if the user presses 1, it goes to case 1 and asks the user to enter the radius, or in case of square it asks the user to enter the side. So here I used the function name as circle or square or cube. So for finding area and perimeter for circle, square, cube, I have used the same function name, but the arguments may be different. Here the variable is in float type, here the variable is in integer type, and here the variable that argument is in double type. So when the function is called, it checks whether it is float or int or double. So if it is float, I mean in case of circle, it checks whether it is float. So it comes to this function inside this function and calculate this area and perimeter and display this. If we press square, it checks whether that arguments is in integer type, and it comes to this function, and it prints the area and perimeter. And if that the argument is in double data type, it comes here and it calculates area and volume, and it prints the surface area and volume of the cube. In all these 3 cases, I have used the same function name and the data type, same function name and the return value, but that arguments passed may be different in that data type. And another thing is, when I press rectangle or triangle, it goes to 4 or 5. So here I have used the rectangle or triangle for function name for these two cases. So here I get 2 inputs from the user, that is length and breadth, but here I get 3 inputs from the user, PQT. So it goes to the function definition. If it is if there is 2 arguments, it goes to the rectangle, go here, and it prints the area of the rectangle and perimeter of the rectangle. If it is 3 arguments, it goes to that same function but with different number of arguments, and it prints the area, it calculates the area and perimeter, and it prints the area of the triangle and perimeter of the triangle. So let's see how it works. Enter your choice. First I have to find circle, enter the radius 4, so we have found, and yes, I want to continue to square, enter the side 2. So the area of the perimeter is 4, the perimeter of the square. Then yes, enter. Here I choose cube, so I press 3 and enter the side the same 2, so the surface area is 24. Then I press yes, and here I am going to give 4 for rectangle, and I give 4 and another value is 5. So the area of the rectangle is 20 and perimeter. Yes, I want to continue, and I give 5 for the triangle, and I give 3 sides, 2, 4, 5, and it shows the input of the area and the perimeter. So this is my program. Let's see what is the application of this program. In school, students use this kind of formulas, and they used to calculate this area and perimeter for that shapes. So for that, this program is very helpful for them to calculate this area and perimeter for them to make their work very easy. So this has a great application in school students and also in college students. So thank you. This is my program. Thank you for watching this video.